Well, would you look at this? What is this Franken-Fan? Antique deal? Nope. Hunter original? Yes. I put oak blades on it and mounted them to the bottom. Well, it's along the time I mounted to the top, but I need to try something new. Mounted them to the bottom, so oil won't come dripping out. Well, this sort of reminds me of an antique deal, kind of. Except with this luck. Well, except the housing. It's not antique deal housing, but the blades look like it's an antique deal. So, yeah. Here's my Hunter original with the blades mounted to the bottom and oak blades. So, anyways, here is low. This kind of simulates an antique deal, kind of, not the low speed does, because it's a permanent split capacitor motor. But here's the story of Hunter originals. Back in I think they started in like the 60s or 70s. In their 50s, they were R52s. We called them originals, but even though they're not originals, the R52s and R36s, but in the 1960s and 1970s, they were 36 and 52 inches with shaded pole motors. But in 1980, early 80s, they were still shaded pole. They had R&M versions, they had the C-arms. They were 2-speed. But in 1984, or 1983 I should say, could have been 83 or 84, they switched to permanent split capacitor. Well, this is a permanent split capacitor motor from 1992. So here is low. Let's go to medium. Probably not going to oil it like I did the last video. That's because this is coming down soon. I know I tested my Saturn and it works. I didn't need to put it up. Might do another round of demo mode with the IntelliTouch. Hi. You already seen airflow test on it, so it's a lot of air, but it does wobble. Here, spin down. Reverse. And you know that I'm tired. I've had such a long day today. Or I could maybe test my Minka Air Concept 2, put my Minka Air Concept 2 back up. Well, it's running in reverse, then maybe I'll just check the battery's done. Spin down's quick. Here is low, reverse. Ready? Medium, low. It fits. It works with the Minka Air remote, so I'm going to use one of those spare Rhine receivers. So what I am going to do is I'm going to test the Minka Air with the original remote. So I used it with Fancy last time. Oh, my phone's shoots. Ugh. My phone's such a big phone. It's an iPhone 8 Plus, but it won't fit on this camera. It won't want to fit on here. I'm gonna just do high. Off high. Thanks for watching.